A few months ago, I bought a healthy food processor that smelled like hot plastic every time the motor warmed up. Not exactly the secret ingredient I wanted in my hummus. Finding a safer processor gets confusing fast because BPA-free doesn't mean plastic-free, and glass models aren't always powerful enough. So I compared 6 popular options for food contact materials, performance, cleanup, and daily usability. Number 1 surprised me, but one expensive machine also came dangerously close to taking the crown. Ganiza. The Ganiza is best for budget-conscious cooks who want separate glass and stainless steel bowls for meat and vegetables. You get 2 8-cup bowls, 1 glass and 1 stainless steel, plus separate stainless steel blade sets. That immediately solves a problem I've had with single-bowl choppers. Garlic, raw meat, and baby food should not all share the same scratched-up container. The 2-bowl setup helps switching jobs easier and helps prevent flavors from crossing over. Its 500-watt motor has 2 speed levels, and it handles onions, peppers, cooked meat, nuts, and softer vegetables quickly. The bi-level blades reach ingredients near both the top and bottom, so you get fewer untouched chunks hiding beneath a layer of onion mush. A few short pulses usually give better control than holding the button continuously. I also like the overheat protection light. It sounds minor, but small choppers are easy to overwork, especially when grinding meat. Instead of letting the motor cook itself while you confidently stare at it, the Ganiza tells you when it needs a break. Yes, even kitchen appliances now need emotional recovery time. Here's the drawback. This behaves more like a powerful chopper than a complete food processor. There's no feed chute, slicing disc, shredding disc, or dough attachment. You also have to position the top-mounted motor correctly before it engages. When my hands were wet, that alignment felt more fiddly than it should. Cleanup is mostly easy because the bowls and removable parts separate quickly, although the sharp blade assembly deserves serious attention. Bear. The Bear is best for parents and small families who regularly prepare baby food, minced ingredients, and modest meal prep batches. Its biggest advantage is the pair of borosilicate glass bowls. The larger bowl holds 2 liters or about 8 cups, while the smaller 0.6-liter bowl is ideal for garlic, cheese, nuts, sauces, and baby food. Because both are transparent, you can watch the texture change instead of stopping repeatedly and opening the lid. The 400-watt motor offers 2 speeds. Speed 1 works well for soft fruit, herbs, and small ingredients, while Speed 2 handles firmer vegetables, meat, and larger portions. 4 layered stainless steel blades create good circulation, although pulsing is still important. Hold the button too long and chopped onions can become onion soup suspiciously fast. I appreciate the hidden safety lock, which prevents the motor from running unless everything is positioned properly. The anti-slip mats also keep those heavy bowls planted on the counter. The glass is dishwasher safe, microwave safe, and freezer safe according to the listing, making the bowls more versatile than ordinary processor containers. Well, the Bear is not perfect. The glass bowls feel reassuringly substantial, but they are heavy, especially full. Some users also report that water can collect inside the lid after dishwasher cleaning. The motor alignment can take an extra second, and opinions about long-term durability are mixed. For salsa, ground chicken, pesto, chopped nuts, and small portions of puree, it delivers impressive results without putting food directly into a plastic work bowl. But like the Ganiza, it cannot slice, shred, or knead properly. 4. Cuisinart Custom 14 Cup. The Cuisinart Custom 14 Cup is best for serious home cooks who want a simple, proven workhorse for large recipes. This machine moves us into full food processor territory. Its 720-watt motor and 14-cup work bowl can handle hummus, pesto, pie dough, shredded cabbage, sliced vegetables, and large batches of sauce. The extra-wide feed tube accepts bigger ingredients, which means less cutting before the actual cutting. Progress. The controls are refreshingly simple. on, off, and pulse. You receive a stainless steel chopping blade, a 4mm slicing disc, and a medium shredding disc. I especially liked the pulse control for pie crust because it made stopping before the butter became overworked much easier. The motor feels calm and stable under heavier loads. For shoppers focused on materials, there is an important distinction. The blades and discs are stainless steel, while the work bowl is BPA-free plastic rather than glass or metal. So this is not a plastic-free choice. Still, it offers more processing ability than the compact glass choppers and comes with a 5-year motor warranty. The slicing and shredding discs are fixed rather than adjustable, but they produce consistent results. The large capacity is excellent for family meals, although it feels excessive when you only want 2 tablespoons of chopped parsley. This machine rewards batch cooking. Use it for 1 lonely garlic clove and it will silently judge you. Cleanup is manageable, and the straightforward design creates fewer confusing crevices than accessory-heavy processors. Number 3. Breville Paradice 16. The Breville Paradice 16 is best for ambitious cooks who want restaurant-style precision and have enough storage space for a small kitchen spaceship. Its 16-cup bowl, 2.5-cup mini bowl, wide feed chute, and huge attachment collection make this the most versatile machine here. You can chop, knead, shred, slice, cut fries, and produce uniform cubes. The 3 dicing grids create 8, 12, or 16-millimeter pieces, which makes potato salad look almost suspiciously professional. The adjustable slicing disc has 15 thickness settings, while the reversible shredding disc offers fine and coarse results. The micro-serrated S-blade powers through dips, vegetables, and mixed ingredients, and the dough blade can work with up to 1.6 pounds of flour. For big Sunday meal prep sessions, this machine can save serious time. Breville uses a BPA-free, impact-resistant plastic bowl with stainless steel housing, so again, this is not plastic-free. The dicing system is the real attraction. Firm tomatoes, potatoes, carrots, and similar produce come out impressively consistent, although Breville advises against dicing fibrous sweet potatoes, hard cheese, and salami with the grids. Most components can go into the dishwasher, but the dicing gearbox needs hand washing. Cleaning the grids also requires the supplied tools because those tiny blades are extremely sharp. Do not attempt to remove trapped potato with your fingertip unless your preferred salad dressing is regret. The 2 storage cases help organize everything, but they consume real cupboard space, and the premium price will be difficult to justify for casual cooks. Homeasy. The Homeasy is best for practical cooks who want a durable stainless steel bowl without paying for functions they will rarely use. Its 2-liter bowl is made from SUS 304 stainless steel, giving you 8 cups of capacity without the breakability of glass. The 350-watt motor drives 4 stainless steel blades positioned at different heights, helping it chop ingredients throughout the bowl instead of repeatedly attacking whatever happens to be sitting at the bottom. 2 modes cover softer and harder foods. I used gentle pulses for onions, herbs, and fruit, then switched to the stronger setting for nuts and cubed meat. The results were fast, particularly with partially chilled meat. It produces more of a minced texture than the long strands you would expect from a traditional meat grinder. The metal connection between the blade and motor is another welcome detail. Some inexpensive choppers rely on plastic at this high-stress point, but Homeasy reinforces the connection with stainless steel. The bowl also resists staining and odors, which matters when you alternate between garlic, meat, chilies, and fruit. Assembly could hardly be simpler. Bowl, blade, lid, then motor. The non-slip mat keeps it stable, and the removable parts are easy to wash. You cannot add ingredients while it's running, and the manufacturer recommends a 2-minute rest after every 30 seconds of operation. So this is built for short bursts rather than continuous processing. What pushes Homeasy near the top is its balance of safety-minded materials, compact size, strength, and value. HomeGeek. The HomeGeek is best for anyone who wants a compact glass bowl chopper that's simple enough to use every day. Its 1.2-liter glass bowl lets you see exactly what is happening inside, while the BPA-Free design and stainless steel 4-blade system reduce food contact with questionable materials. The 300-watt motor is not the strongest here, but it is well matched to the bowl and finishes many everyday tasks in roughly 6 to 10 seconds. The standard speed handles softer ingredients, and the high-speed option tackles firmer foods or larger quantities. Short pulses gave me cleanly chopped onions and vegetables without immediately turning them into puree. Keep pulsing, and it transitions naturally into smoother textures for dips, sauces, baby food, and small batch dressings. The thermal protection system adds reassurance when the motor starts working hard. A safety switch stops the blade as soon as you release the button, while the locking interface prevents operation when the motor and blade are not correctly connected. Those features make the HomeGeek feel controlled rather than temperamental. 2 side grips make the glass bowl easier to carry, and the anti-slip mat keeps it steady while processing. The bowl can go into the dishwasher, and the compact parts store without demanding an entire cabinet. I mean, an appliance is only convenient if you don't need an archaeological expedition to find it. The HomeGeek takes number 1 because it gets the fundamentals right: a glass work bowl, stainless steel blades, useful safety features, quick cleanup, and enough power for routine chopping, mincing, blending, and pureeing. That's all for today, folks!